So this is the best WAN 2.0 AI video generator for free. So it's called WAN.video, and all you have to do is sign in with a Google account. That's literally all I did, and I didn't have to pay for anything. So once you sign in, tap on this star at the bottom left corner of the screen and tap on check in. That will immediately give you 10 free credits, which you can use in your video generations. That's actually quite a lot, so now I'm going to teach you how to use them. So starting off, the site can be a bit wonky if you're on a phone, but it still works by the way. So what we're going to want to do is tap on this generate button that you see on screen. There are three types: cinematic, portraiture, and this one that you can't really see because like I said, I'm a mobile and it is a bit weird on mobile. So let's just try out cinematic. I'm going to type out a prompt, just something simple. It's already, generated it for us. I'm going to tap on generate, and as you can see, it's going to bring us to another one or to another part of the site. Now, if you want sound effects, of course, you can do that as well. And now at the bottom, you can tap on generate to generate this prompt. So it really is that easy. This is one.video, and you now have a generated video. So I told you it's free 100% and it's actually working. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.